Hello guys, so hari ni, sekarang ni lah bukan hari ni. So saya akan ajar sambung last topic on numerical methods. So this is learning outcome, introduction and the content. So we look at the content. So first we are going to go for numerical integration using trapezoidal rule. And the second one, solution of non-linear equation using iterative methods and Newton-Raphson methods. Alright, so let's go for the first method, which is trapezoidal rule, trapezoid rule or trapezium rule. So we know that if we integrate, before we go, we know that if we integrate a graph, we are going to get the area under the graph, right? Okay, you learned this before in SPM Form 5, which is the application of integration. If we integrate a function, we are going to get area under the graph from where to where, isn't it? Alright, so now you are going to find the area under the graph, not using integration, but using trapezoidal rule. Okay, let's say we have this kind of graph. Okay, so we have this kind of graph. Okay, if we integrate normally from here, let's say here is A, here is B. Okay, we are going to get area under the graph. But let's say we look at we draw part by part. Okay, let's say we draw like this. The first, second. Okay, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So we got 5 trapezium, right? If we draw like this, 5 trapezium, which is we can find the area under the graph using trapezium equation. Okay, we have 1 trapezium, 2 until 5 trapezium. Alright, so we know that the formula of a trapezium is area. Trapezium is equal to 1 over 2 A, okay, plus B multiply by H. Okay, let's say, okay, we have A, B. Let's say we have, this is Y1, why not lah? Y1, Y2, what is Y? Y is the height. Okay, Y2, Y3, Y4, and Y5. Ada tertinggal ke? 1, 2, 3. Alright, so we have here. So let's, here, we divide equally. Let's say this is H, this is H, this is H, this is H, this is H. Okay, so let's make an equation to find this area. So area under the graph, PH is equal to, so let's find the first trapezium. So 1 over 2 Y0 plus Y1 multiplied by H plus 1 over 2 Y1 plus Y2 H plus 1 over 2 Y2 plus Y3 H plus 1 over 2, okay, Y3 plus Y4 H, okay, Y3 and Y4 H, and then the last one, 1 over 2 Y4 plus Y5 H. Right, so let's make it simple. So simplify this. We know that every part have 1 over 2. That means 1 over 2. And every part have H up. So we factorize. So what left here? If you look at here, Y0 and Y5, the first Y and the last Y, the first and the last Y, the only Y which is not repeating. If you look at here, here got Y1, Y1, Y2, Y2. That means other than the first and the last, it is repeating. So from here we write Y0, Y5 plus other than these two is repeating, right? So 2 is 2 times. So other than these two lah. So y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus y4. Okay, so we got the formula to find the area under the graph. Why I show this? Because this is actually the formula of trapezoidal rule. So we look at the formula. Yeah, help solving definite integral that are difficult to be used to be solved using the integration technique. So we have h over 2, right? We have h over 2, h over 2 here. And the first y and the last y is not repeating, so just put these two in front, plus other is repeating, so y1, 2 times other y lah. Alright, so how to find h? How to find h? So h actually, this b minus a, h equal to b minus a, divided by how many part we are going to find. So how many part we are going to use? So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we divide by 5. Okay, so h is equal to minus n, where n is number of strip. Okay, this is number of strip. 1 strip, 2 strip, 3, 4, 5 strip. Or number of sub-interval, or number of ordinate minus 1. What mean by that? Number of ordinate. So, sorry. So this is ordinate 1, ordinate 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 ordinate, right? We have 6 ordinate. Why? Apa macam ni? Sekat. Sorry. Mana tadi? Semua hilang. Alright. So, mana tadi? Okay, so number of ordinate. Mana tadi number of ordinate? The ordinate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so number ordinate minus 1. So 6 minus 1, which is 5. Alright. So let's do this example. So using trapezoidal rules with 6 ordinate. That means n is equal to ordinate 6 minus 1, which is 5. To estimate from 0 until 0.5, this 1 minus x squared correct to 4 decimal places. So first we find h, which is b 0.5 minus 0 divided by n, which is 5. We got 0.1. Alright, that means we can say, okay, our h is equal to 0.1. And our first x naught is equal to, start from 0. Okay, so x1 will be using this lah. 0h is 0.1, so the difference, let's say this is 0, right? So the ordinate is 0.1. That means, the h is equal to 0.1. That means the second ordinate will be 0.1. Okay, third one is 0.2, and so on. So we write here x1 0.1, x2 0.2, x3 equal to 0.3, x4 equal to 0.4, x5 equal to 0.5. Yeah, until n. Okay, why we need this? Because we are going to substitute this x into this formula. So fine. So x naught is equal to 0. So y naught is equal to, okay, we know y is equal to this 1 minus x square. Okay, this 1 minus x square. So we substitute x naught 0, so that means y naught is equal to 1. Alright, so let's say here we have x1 equal to 0.1. So we substitute 0.1 into this formula, and we got x1, which is 0.1 square. So we have 1 minus 0.1 square. We have 0.99. Okay, 0.8, sorry, here is 0.99. this is 0.1. Okay, so we can write in table here. So x0, y0, and y differentiate. Remember, the y not repeating is the first y and the last y. Other than it is repeating. So we write the formula. H, what is our H just now? 1 over 1, 0 over 0.1 divided by 2. Sorry, I record this at 10 a.m. Yeah, exactly 10 a.m. Not 10 a.m. See? 10 p.m. Alright, so H over 2, which is 0.1 over 2 multiply with, remember the first one and the last one, y. So 1 plus 0.75. Other than that is 2. Then this you substitute here. So 0.99 plus 0.96 plus 0.91 plus 0.81. Oops. Oh, dia dah tulis kat sini lah, sayangku. So we just simplify 1 over 2. Okay, this 2 pun dah tambah. Okay, this 2 pun dah tambah. So which is 1.75. Plus 2 and this 3.7. So use your calculator. Voila, we got the answer. Alright. Okay, let's check if using trapezoidal rule we are going to get the same value using normal integration. So let's do normal integration for this. So let's integrate. So we got x, okay, integrate 1, we got x minus x cubed over 3 from 0 to 0.5. Use your calculator and you got this. Oh, it's more than a bit more. Okay, a bit more